All right, so it's the first video I'm doing driving. Hey, shout out to Brandon Bornanson from Seamless.ai, who does this all the time every morning. Not every morning, but many mornings. So I'm going to follow Brandon's lead and make use of the 15-minute drive to our office here in Dallas. In case y'all haven't driven in Dallas traffic, you've got to be quite creative to get to work in a timely fashion in our beautiful, amazing city. All right, so this morning I read a post. I'll link the post in my comment. But essentially, the post was, I can't remember what her name was who posted it. But anyway, on LinkedIn, she was talking about IIoT, and she said it's time to have frank talk about IIoT solutions. And essentially, she said, the emperor is wearing no clothes. And basically what she's meaning is that, based on her experience thus far, IIoT is all hype and no substance, right? And the reality is that I don't disagree with her. I don't disagree with her at all, actually. But that's not because the value proposition for IIoT in industry isn't real. And it's not because the technology doesn't exist, and it's not because there aren't examples of successful implementations. In fact, there are hundreds of case studies of successful IIoT implementations. The reason that it's all hype and little substance at this point is because most of the people in the space, unfortunately, are posing. They really don't know what they're talking about. And you have decision makers at large organizations, small organizations, and medium organizations who are trusting the wrong experts. And that's the reality. It may come across as self-serving for us to say that, but this is just the harsh reality. We've built an entire business around correcting misinformation that's coming from other experts or coming behind other experts and fixing their solution. Here's the simple reality, and this is what I posted in comment. Most of the solutions providers, so this isn't even just the services, this is the software developers, the software companies out there who are marketing IIoT solutions, the sensor manufacturers who are marketing IIoT solutions, the HMI developers, the edge PC developers, you name it. They're pretending. The truth is, they don't really know what IIoT is or what the actual value proposition is. What they're trying to do is monetize a space in the market. Nothing wrong with that. But what they're monetizing is based on old thinking. They're taking an approach based on the way that we used to develop industrial solutions. Very segmented, using the Purdue security model. We would break out various sections of the industrial namespace, and they are developing their IIoT solutions based on that old way of thinking. The reality is that the companies that have deployed the most successful IIoT solutions thus far they've really done three things. Number one, they've been committed to a single unified namespace. That is, all of their data eventually makes it to one location, and all consumers consume their data from that same location. Number one. Number two, in every successful implementation that we have seen, we've architected, or we have viewed through a case study. That is, we've gone and visited a client who has successfully deployed an IIoT architecture, and now they're looking to scale it up, or they're looking to add additional functionality. They are using MQTT as the primary protocol, and they have defined their own topic payload structure. Okay, that's number two. And number three, they have partnered with the correct experts. They own the solution themselves. They have internal subject matter experts who are the product owners, and they own the solution. They are not outsourcing all of the development. They're owning the development, but they are leveraging external experts to execute the vision. And lastly, and I haven't seen this in every solution, but nearly all the solutions, they're using an agile project management approach. I mean, you can't, they understand that it's living and breathing. It's a process. It's not, a turnkey project. For anyone out there who wants to get involved in IIoT, you can't, if you're a controls engineer right now, if you are a manufacturing engineer, an industrial engineer, a mechanical engineer, you're a systems integrator, and you have no experience deploying IIoT solutions, you cannot learn everything you need to know about deploying an IIoT solution online. You have to learn from an expert, because there are pitfalls that everyone is going to go through. There are mistakes that every integrator is going to make. There are mistakes that every product owner is going to make in the first 12 to 18 months when they first start their first IIoT solution, that if you partner with the right person, the right people, the right organization, those experts are going to prevent you from making those same mistakes that every single person who does their first IIoT deployment makes. Okay? So anyway, Zach asked me to do this more impromptu, off-the-cuff, personal video, and so I decided to do it this morning. And it only took about half my drive getting to the office. So let me know what you think. Post below. We're not even going to edit this at all. I'm literally just going to post it to LinkedIn. So thanks for watching.